In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an accountant's copy in QuickBooks. This is a very handy feature that allows your accountant to make changes to your financial records without disrupting your ongoing business operations. By following this process, you ensure both accuracy and efficiency in financial management. Let's begin by logging into your QuickBooks account. First, head to the QuickBooks homepage and click on the Sign In button. This step is crucial as it allows us to access your online QuickBooks account, the platform where all the magic happens. Once you're signed in, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. QuickBooks Online is the portal that hosts your financial data and provides the tools needed to create an accountant's copy. Now you'll need to type in your credentials, that's your username and password, then hit continue. Please make sure your credentials are correct to avoid unnecessary hiccups in the process. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the right place within your account. Head over to the settings. You'll find this option typically represented by a gear icon. Clicking here will take you to various options you can manage within your QuickBooks experience. Next, look for the Manage Users section. This step is critical as you will control who has access to your financial data. Ensuring your accountant has the right permissions is key to maintaining both security and convenience. After clicking on Manage Users, select Accounting Firms. This particular section is designed specifically for collaborating with accounting professionals, simplifying the process of sharing your data responsibly and securely. You will then be prompted to type in your accountant's email address. Enter it carefully and double check for any typos. This email serves as a gateway for your accountant to gain access to your data, so accuracy here is vital. Once the email is entered correctly, click on Invite. This action will trigger an invitation to your accountant, allowing them to access your financial records and make necessary changes. Finally, a good practice is to notify your accountant that you have sent a collaboration invite. A simple message or call will suffice, ensuring that they're aware and ready to execute any needed adjustments promptly. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully created an accountant's copy in QuickBooks. This process not only facilitates seamless collaboration, but also keeps your financial data organized. Remember, having a professional handle your accounts can save you time and provide peace of mind, knowing your finances are in good hands. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.